Seashells, it's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. I have not said that in so long.
It's been a minute.
I can't remember off of YouTube. Damn.
It's been a minute.
Anyways, so today I have a special guest, Shanida.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we're doing a little grwm to go nowhere.
Nowhere at all.
We're just gonna take some pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went out last night and wore a very cute outfit.
I should never give it in a good picture.
Sorry, I'm one of those girls who was gonna put the fit back on and take a picture. So, yeah, I asked you guys to ask me some questions. It kind of last minute too, so I don't have a lot, but we will just use what we have and call it a day. So without further ado,
First up,
let's just get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to both of our channels. And I'm something there. So we couldn't really bother wash my face. So
we're gonna use
some. Look here, people. I'm telling the truth. I don't get ready with me because I can't multitask.
Same. I'm gonna do it. Me have to pause.
Yeah, I don't know how some people
just
do what they're doing and talk at the same time. It's like, so guys, as I was saying,
that's why I couldn't vlog and drive. Can I get it on?
Well, that actually,
no, I can't do that.
It's that one's a little bit easier for me.
I can't ever drive and listen to music. Like I have to be very.
My music can't load if I drive.
Yeah.
One, because I have a little bit of PTSD because I was just to look up the young man carrying me. I played loud music because I'm not here while going outside.
Precisely.
So it leak, I never know because I'm in there listen to music.
Okay.
So first things first, what are we doing to the face? Soft B, you're doing
I mean, I only know how to. My makeup routine kind of weird because I only know how to do one.
Like soft?
Yeah.
Okay. Like the everyday.
Yeah.
First question: what are your go-to skincare products?
Right now, I use to wash my face. I use this black soap I have from Tea from Thai. But other than that, for like moisturizer, I use this First moisturizer that I have that they sent me, and I use sunscreen from them too. Them products like good.
Okay. Me? I don't
just buy something today. Literally, just buy a scrub today.
Just literally bought back a cleanser from Biore. Yeah, that one there. Listen, before that,
it was just whatever
anything on my catch, I just use. Like I bathe with my Dove soap, the unscented bar soap. Literally. And that is what I use to wash my face.
I feel like I had so much products and whenever I use them, so I'm gonna start using them one day. But before that, I'm usually literally like I used to use anything that I bathe with just go on my face.
Yeah.
Anything.
I think from my face clear up, I've started doing that. But before, I had a very strict routine. I used to use the charcoal. I used the Biore charcoal one. Today I bought the rose quartz one. That's the pink one. Please! So that's what I use, and I use the Ordinary niacinamide.
I use the glycolic acid from them actually. Chef's kiss. Using the glycolic acid to try to clear up my hyperpigmentation on my neck. It did. It used to work until it stopped. It don't. Some need to buy one. But yeah, it works. It really works.
As we talk about skincare, I don't really use this, but because I started incorporating moisturizers into my makeup routine when I remember, I'm using this Mario Badescu oil-free moisturizer. It's very dirty, so I'm afraid for sure now. I'm gonna put a little bit of that,
and I'm using my I think I got this from She Glam, and I'm using it to line my eyebrows. But I don't really do much to them. I just use usually I use like a Gotta Be glue or something, but I'm using it comes with like 2 ends, so it comes with the eyebrow gel. Eyebrow gel, yeah. And then the next side have the pencil. Oh wow. Yeah. Hey, She Glam up and nice. Like I never know so Shein makeup products.
Shein on a whole is just next level.
First, I'm going to. I don't even remember. I think I put this in there probably from like 2021. I don't know how much moisturizer in there.
From 2020. Listen, they may probably expire. They may probably expire because you're really not supposed to have these things for over 12 months.
Yeah, man. Most of my makeup products, I have them from like 2019.
Same. I'm gonna stop using things until them finish. I'm so sorry.
Like bottle empty. Done. Crazy.
Bobo. Oh, it's expired. So I'm gonna throw it away. Okay, next question. What is your biggest financial advice?
Save.
How do you save?
For me, I kind of have to separate my money. Like, if I see everything, I can use everything. So what I do is like I open an account, like literally a savings account and saving it. So right now, because I'm self-employed, I'm a nail tech by the nail face.ja on Instagram. Whenever my clients send money to my account or I deposit money in my account, I literally take money from that and pay myself. So I send it to a next account and then I use that as like checking and regular day-to-day everything, and then I send money from that to a savings account. So one got to pay me and one got to savings. Makes sense, right? Before that, we used to just see money.
Yo, that used to be me, honestly. When I like in my big age people, I this year open my actual savings account. I ain't even gonna lie. So I had one account for everything. I save in it, I spend from it. I don't know. That was just me. But you know, I decided that I need to be
grown up.
Yeah, so you know, I think the midlife crisis just licked me.
Just lick you.
And it's like, oh wow, you have to take life a little bit
serious. I used to, when I opened my savings account, I used to use my savings account for everything. It was just that, did you have a checking first?
No.
Why did you have?
A savings them give me.
So savings did you have first, but you never did save?
No, it was like my day-to-day spending.
Yeah, my NCB account was just it for me. We used to just do everything with it. Save from it, spend from. But I couldn't save because once we see the money,
yeah,
I can spend it. So now I just separate it.
True.
I have to separate it. That's the only way I can save it.
But no, so this was not the question, but it kind of bounces off of it, like the budgeting.
Yeah,
so
yeah, definitely.
Basically, how I do it is like, clearly I have different sources of income. So for example, let's say YouTube for example, I'll probably like use my YouTube money for, let's say, my rent. Yeah, I'd probably use one of my sponsorships, because if I have a consistent sponsorship, like every single month they pay me, I'll probably use that for groceries or something. If I get a little one-off job, I put that in my savings. Yeah, that's just kind of how I split up all the money, because as I say, when I had the one account, I couldn't see what I was saving.
Literally.
Like, I was just spending. And I say, what am I saving?
Where's
like
the money? Exactly. I feel like I'm not money because I keep everything I spend. And
my little dirty style, every time he said me want a drink.
Literally,
so,
I'm like,
what I started doing is every time I feel, every time I felt like I wanted a drink, the money that I knew I would spend to buy the drink and probably something else, I'd literally use it as punishment and send it to my savings account. So let's say if I go to TGI, I know I'm gonna spend like 6 grand. If I don't, I know I don't need to go to TGI.
Yeah.
That's you like, send the money. I just send that 6 grand to my savings account.
Makes sense.
So instead of spending it, it's like, it's my savings. Yeah, that was my punishment.
Yeah. I should think about that every time I feel like I want to buy something, because I'm a very spontaneous shopper.
Retail therapy.
So I just go, I'm just swipe my card, but I need to send myself that money. I need to just put it in my savings. At first I was delusional because I used to send myself money to pay myself, and then when I finish all my money by like 2 weeks into into the month.
Be for real.
And then I go back in my savings for more money because I was so delusional. I was like, I can use this amount of money for this month. I do it damn well. Say it now, go cover. And then go right back into the savings. But no, I have some like self-control right now.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Life kind of hard, I say I have to be very disciplined. It's very easy to spend money and have the mentality, oh, I'm gonna make it back. I mean, at the end of the day, you can't rob yourself of joy and be a miser. Like, sometimes you just have to take the risk and yeah, just know that you have to work extra hard to make back that money.
So I use the Matte and Poreless, I think this is Fit Me, is it? Yeah, it's Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in shade 356.
I'm using my e.l.f. Power Grip primer.
Then I kind of put it on the back of my hand, and then girl, I'm hungry, you know.
You should have eat.
But like for still comfortable, I eat my food and watch my show. If I can't do that, I not eat.
As soon as she tell me the food ready, you know, gone.
So yeah, I just put it on the back of my hand, and then I kind of spread it with the back of the girl. The brush. Jesus Christ, man. So yeah, so now I'm just blending. Well, I done blend out the foundation, so we're gonna blend the. Should I wet this? Just like a blend out the edges of this a little bit. Oh my god. What, Shelby?
What's that look? In order to get like, if you want like a more
bright on the eye.
Yeah. Well, not really bright. I'd say
seamless.
Coverage. More coverage. I don't care for coverage.
What do you think I say?
More. Use more. I used to use like that small. Watch you.
Watch you.
There's the coverage.
Yes, coverage. Yes, I used to use like a little bit too.
What I do
and then
is after I put on like 2 layers. So I'm gonna do this and then I put on more after. I blend this out and then if I feel like I need it lighter or more coverage. But you know the next layer. Blend it.
You need to wet it.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, I bet that's better. Alright, next question. What's a go-to item you must have when you leave home that is not tech related? Lip gloss.
Lip gloss or lip balm.
Yeah.
Something for my lip them.
Something for my lips. Like, I don't care about anything else really.
But my lip,
my lip balm needs that. Need keys. There's that too, but you know, I think my lip gloss is more important. Guess what? You can always use your lips and flirt with somebody if you kick off the door.
No, you're doing too much. You're doing too much.
No, man, I must shave. That's why they must stress me out. So. I can't still myself about 10 minutes now just to do the eyebrows. Damn! Just for them to look like that. Question is, how did we become friends? Take it away!
So I think, I've been thinking about that other day, you know. I think we used to see how we follow each other on Instagram. We were just friends on Instagram. You know, Instagram
yeah, you know
friends.
Those mutuals where
yeah,
you know just cool with it.
Yeah.
I just hit that. You comment on a picture and come back on a picture and that was it.
That was
literally it.
Yeah, and then we did a video together.
Yeah.
At UTech, and then a video turned into sleepovers.
Yeah, she never want me to go home and then we just never go home.
One night turned into like 3 nights.
We just never know what we had there.
Yeah. And then turned into like
me coming over every minute.
Coming over all the time, turning out she being eaten
godmother. I didn't know. Yeah. I'm like, damn.
How did we get this far?
How did we get here? Yeah, so that's basically it.
That's literally it.
There's really
funny how you can make friends,
right?
I feel like I meet half of the people that I know right now. I met Ty over social media. What's your friend name? Well, somebody Shakira I met at school.
Yeah, Shakira I met at school. Judah I met at school.
I don't have any friends from college. Like when we used to go UTech,
you barely went.
That's a fact.
You barely went. You barely went.
For like a semester.
Exactly.
And then I was like,
I don't know why I tell people say you go UTech. You never go UTech.
And then I go you know. And I go you online.
You don't go school. You were in school.
I've never had the college experience.
She's never had the college experience.
I literally.
But it's okay. Yeah,
I feel like I miss now, you know. Would you say?
I mean, it's nice to have, but it's like if you don't have it, it's not.
Fine.
It's not really that big of a deal. I make couple links still.
Up there?
Yeah, as in, so in the sense where people in my class, like they're all very talented people. So now, like if I want something done, I can literally just message on them and say, hey, oh, can you do XYZ? Or if them know somebody wants an influencer or editor or whatever, they message me and yeah, that kind of stuff. Yeah, all of it build a little connection. So there's that. And they did say college was for network and not really to learn anything. So I think, you know, that helped.
Well, how do you meet friends in college? Like, how you get friends in college? Because I could never understand that. When we used to go UTech for the little time, but didn't go. the little clicks, as when we did the video, the amount of person you did, the amount of people you did know. Man, I say, how did you, like,
okay, so
how you make friends? Because I think that's why I'm not much friends. I don't really know how to make friends.
You know, say, and I really mean still. Like, a lot of people come up to me and, alright, let's say I was known. I'll say that. I'm not gonna say I didn't have enough friends. Like, everybody know me. Yeah. And like, I didn't know a couple people, but they weren't my friends. Really, but like, I'm going to use Shakil for example.
Perfect.
So it's basically group work. Make a ton friend. So we had group work to do. I genuinely don't remember how we did even end up in a group together. I think like the person at the time that I normally do my group work with, he wasn't in my class anymore, or something like that, and so we never really have no group mates. So we're like, well,
do together.
All right. And the night we were supposed to do our group work, like my text her and I say, yo, what we gonna do for the group work, whatever. She said, she's like, Cham, I don't know, but me I go on party right now. Like she was like, she I go on party right now, and then she asked me if I want to come. Me and Shaki we don't know each other from a can of paint. And she was like, you want to come? And I'm like, shit, might as well. That school work I never do that night, and the other person in the group I text you, I ask you, what we do for this group? We never answer because we're like, we're outside. We're outside. So yeah, and then afterwards we just started hanging out more, and we just never left each other alone. Just careless alike, and it worked. Me and Judah actually, I just remember how we got close, but I don't remember exactly how we met. So we started getting close because both of us used to do some work with UCA. Oh. And you know, because I was more familiar with her than everybody else, like we started doing most of the stuff together. Yeah. And then we just start a beer party. And always that, you know.
And always band over per
road. Just road. We were young and outside, man. 2 friends from college. You know count. You never go college. So you don't count. You really don't count.
Listen, I started, when did it start? I started the January, and then COVID came to March.
Damn! That never made no sense with you.
The start of January, COVID came to March.
Damn!
And then I was supposed to go back to September, but then I put it off, and then the next year I got pregnant.
Damn!
Damn, right?
That happened so fast, actually, though. Like when we think about it, it just happened so fast.
Next year I got pregnant, then the same year I had the baby, and then I started doing the next year after. I know I'm going, but I'm going online. So everything literally happened in the span of 3 years. Yeah.
Damn!
Yeah, I've lived many lives.
You have lived, man. I've lived a totally different life in those 3 years. The life of me live and the life I live, 2 different lives. Me didn't careless of carelessness can't done.
When they have baby and I get married,
I'm just outside in a curfew, in a COVID time, but there every party I can think of.
Oh good.
Don't ask me how I reach. No. I don't know, man. I used the ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand.
He just realized it. Next question. You're so off topic.
I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation in the shade Syracuse. Listen to me now. Listen, all the products we're using will be linked in the description below. Yeah. Next question. How do you balance your everyday life and your influencer life?
What is there to balance?
My everyday life is my influencer life. They're not very separate to me.
I feel like I don't want it the same.
Yeah.
Well, you go up more. My thing is just vlogging, and I vlog my everyday life.
Yeah, literally.
So it's really not that different.
I need some new makeup brush.
I need some new makeup.
Well, I need some makeup brush because the other day, like, one of my friends them do my face, and when I tell you the brush was so fluffy and nice, I said, like, I said, no wonder my shit look like that, cause I am tough.
I can't wait for contour with chin, like just double chin that's going on right here.
Thought you said you don't really contour.
I started like over the weekend. Let's try some new something. I realized, girl, that's how you get the double chin gone, disappear. What's the next question? Oh, how you balance?
Oh
yeah. Give me my makeup back, please. Chop. Ooh. You don't smile.
I might be a bit of mascara.
I always have an editing on to you. Don't
Like, why we do that?
There must be a bit of face I can make.
Honestly, I don't really like putting a lot of foundation on my forehead. So, normally whatever I put around here, whatever is left, I just put it up there. Or most times I'll just use the powder alone, which I will show you guys soon because I'm going to put the powder on top of this anyways. I think that was my #1 game changer with doing my makeup. Putting powder foundation on top of the liquid. Chef's kiss.
Powder?
The pressed powder.
Oh, you have one? I just don't use it.
Where did I put it? Oh, it's in my
You see my Christmas face again?
So this is it.
Okay.
As you can see, I have hit pan because I love it so much.
So I'm going to use setting powder under my eye before I shove it in my laugh again and makeup.
I'm going to blend out most of it with a brush. I like blending out my concealer with brushes because it gives me more full coverage. When I use a beauty blender, it blends right.
I can pick it up.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Sponge. A sponge. How do you call this?
Powder puff. That my kind.
Powder puff.
Powder puff.
Make more sense than sponge. And take it right up.
One side I use for the concealer and the next side I use for the I'm just use this for concealer.
Use that to put on concealer?
Sometimes, yeah.
Really? I should try.
Okay. I'll probably put on a little bit of
setting spray.
Yeah. I actually need a proper setting spray because this I think this is a finishing spray.
What's the difference?
Or a fixing spray. So the setting spray helps like melts all the makeup together.
Yeah.
And the finishing spray locks everything in place so it doesn't move at all.
Oh.
Yeah, so setting spray
don't have a finishing spray.
And I don't have a setting spray.
So after that, after blending that in, I use my blush from Seashells. I need a more pigmented blush though.
Done.
Storefront people.
Yeah man,
it's gonna be down there.
Yeah. Buy my things off my storefront so I can pay my rent. I'm not paying.
True.
Oh, I can't see that cream.
See how I feel? See how I feel?
I thought working on so I'm gonna do GRWM, my makeup don't come out how it's supposed to. And then on a good listen. She can't do her makeup and she teach people how to do makeup.
Literally. But that was me though, when we used to do makeup videos and can this shit.
I'm like, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry.
I hit pan. Just like Shelby.
Oh, mine too.
You use the scope?
That's the one I use more. This one lighter. So I use it more than that.
That makes sense.
But I don't like using this anymore. Well, yeah, but I use that because these ones more orange. I don't like it. It might look like it, no, the edge is not blend out properly, so I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush, take whatever is left on back of my hand, and just like soften that up a bit. So, a little lighting change.
Forget about the questions.
What?
Just remember the questions. Sure.
What or who is your fashion inspo right now? Myself.
I literally I don't take inspiration from anybody really. I see something I like. I'm like, exactly. Oh, that could go.
Let me try that.
Yeah, and pair it with that. So
yeah.
Literally, I
just like
come up with things in my head.
My outfit for tonight is like I just saw something on someone. I'm like, I know Jamaica is not the place for
this, but let me try.
Let me try. I say as I'm reaching to the party last night, here my police don't. She come play football. I say, if lucky me know him, I'm like this him. watch all of a footballer. And so I'm gonna carry my radio bag. You know? Bombard it. She had a sound. Yeah, the man make a mockery out of me last night.
No.
And you honestly, you don't think me never look good.
No.
You would have really thought.
No.
My outfit looks like trash. Every now and then, if I want outfit inspo, I might go on Pinterest.
Yeah, that's what I do sometimes too.
And see if I can change my aesthetic every now and then.
I feel like I don't even know what I do. I just wear clothes in them because sometimes I feel like this and sometimes I'm like that. Sometimes
it depends on my mood too. Yeah. Like I don't ever look at someone and be like, I want to start dressing like them, or I want to start doing this. Like,
but I would look at something and I would be like, oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
That could, yeah.
And one thing about me, I don't know, maybe it's kind of weird to me, but if I see somebody in something, I would never say, oh, I want that top. I always say I want something
like
similar.
that. Yeah.
Cause I feel like if you wear it, like you wear it already. Me not go and wear it, cause like
me not gonna get the same type.
Yeah, you did that look already. Let me do something.
Let me try some. Yeah.
Let me do something else. That's pretty much it. But most of my ideas really just come from my head. I just think about something. I miss. I wonder if that makes sense.
When I shop online, sometimes I do even like outfits, so I'd buy something and buy something for that.
What's an improvement you're most proud that you made, personal or otherwise? Alright, I understand what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
Personal or otherwise, improvement. Improvement. But I bet they ask about my accomplishment.
I'm less selfish. I was a lot.
You're selfish? In what way? In what way do you think you're selfish?
Before, I feel like I used to care a lot about people. So at one point I was so selfless that I never used to do nothing for myself. And then at one point I would just say, oh fuck this, me come first.
And you did the
exact
opposite.
The exact, from 0 to 100. But then now, I'm at like a balance. I'm like, I need to do things for myself and I need to put myself first, but at the same time, I don't need to be all about myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's totally me now. And with a kid, trust me,
can't be selfish with a kid. Improve. What did I improve?
Chubby, if you ever think hard.
Never think hard,
it's a deep question. It's very heavy.
I think my discipline, because I'm just a girl, okay? I'm just a girl. And sometimes I feel like things must just drop in my lap.
That's true.
And that's just not how the world works. I have to get up and go for it. So I'd say this year I did a lot of go-getting.
That's right.
So, yeah. And I mean, I guess you guys can see that as well.
I can see that, yeah.
I'm low-key very laid back when it comes on to certain things. I just feel like, say, I'm just a girl, so it should just come to me. But it doesn't work like that. Not everyone is that lucky in life. And yeah, you have to just go for what you want. So I'd say that is my improvement.
I can see.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. As I said, I did ask this
like a minute ago.
Last minute, so
I'm literally just I contour my lips with the same, eyebrow pencil. Same thing. Basically done though.
I'm almost done. I just need for contour and blush. Yeah, that's
but not I can try the
so
blush.
I'm putting the pressed powder over everywhere I put foundation. So I just put the loose powder where I put concealer. So I'm just gonna do this and then I'm going to contour. So sometimes I use a brush, but I feel like when I use this, it works out better because I'm seeing what I'm picking up.
Yeah.
If you get what I'm saying. So I just do that and I put it everywhere.
I probably should do that before. I have one and I have it.
Well, do it. I try to go just right here. If I'm going right here.
I don't want to see it.
So, and then my reverse contour, and then you're going to see chisel out.
Alright, now I'm going to try Shelby's powdered blush.
Oh, that's so nice.
Right?
Yeah.
Is this one? I love it.
Yeah, that's one's actually nice.
Try it on my face again. Oh, I use another powder. I use this Dior finishing powder. It's an invisible powder, so it just makes sure my makeup don't, because as I said, my skin I have combination skin, so my skin get very oily around like here and my nose, so I always press it in here. Sometimes I don't even put powder. Sometimes I don't even put foundation around my nose, like just to avoid it looking greasy.
No, normally I don't put anything on my eyes, or whatever contour I use, I'll just go over it.
Yeah.
If I wasn't taking pictures, I wouldn't put anything on it, but I feel like I'm going to take a selfie and it's going to look weird if there is nothing at all. So I'm just going to put the darkest shade of the contour over it.
That's literally what I did.
Yeah, that's literally what I'm going to do.
I take it from my nose and go into it.
It's the best mind those contour is going to get, guys. Sorry, this is it, and that is all. Because
let me do it.
So I'm going to finishing spray, right? And this is the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Missing Spray.
How much do you use?
That much. I got this lip liner thingy from Sheglam, so it's like a two-ended thing. There's a lipstick on this end, brown, and then you have the brown lip liner. I only use the lip liner. This NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie.
I don't really use much highlight nowadays, so I just go on my nose. I go under my eyebrows.
After I blend it out a little bit, then I'm gonna go in with the Fortune Cookie and just place it on in the middle alone. Alright guys, eating. This is the finished result. We're going. Yeah. So this is basically these are the faces. When we put on our clothes and something, we'll come back and you'll see the finished look. But as of right now, this is it. These are the face. Oh, we can't see my shoes?
No, they can't.
Okay.
And the leg warmers?
Now you can. My leg warmers. Yeah, because you make a call. My edge is not yet. I'm gonna do them when I get downstairs because the most is in the car. Outfit of the night. Where is it? Where's the top from?
The top is from. It's actually an activewear top from Vanco. The pants is from Shein. The shoes are from. I don't remember where I bought them. I had them from like 2020. The bag is from Telfar. The perfume is from YSL. The phone is from Apple. The earrings.
The hair is from?
The hair is from?
No free promo. The top is from Shein. Bond's from Shein. Bags from Shein. My leg warmer's from Shein. And my shoes are from Zara.
Nice.
My shoes are from Zara. And Pandora on my bracelets.
And Pandora.
Yeah.
It's all up, pull up.
Yeah. And that's pretty much it, you know. Thank you for watching the video. Share, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.